Types of wiring devices. Number 1, switch. Switch is a electromechanical device used to control the flow of electricity in a circuit. Pwede mo siyang i-on at i-off yung device na gusto mo. Next is convenience outlet. May iba't ibang uri ng outlet. Meron tayong special purpose outlet. Ginagamit ito sa heavy load gaya ng aircon. Meron tayong ground fault circuit interrupter. Ito naman ay ginagamit sa mga wet area. Ang outlet natin ay surface at flash type. Next is lamp holder socket or receptacle. The receptacle is used to protect and hold lamp in lighting installations. Meron tayong weatherproof sockets, full chain socket. Next is male plug. Plug has exposed pins or plug that are designed to fit onto the corresponding receptacles of a female connector to establish a secure connection between two devices or components. Next is female plug. Dito natin sinasaksak yung male plug sa female plug. Next is circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an protective device that protects the load from overloading and short circuits. Next is junction box. Itong box na ito ay ginagamit natin sa pag-splice, termination of wire, and cable pulling. Sa utility box naman, ginagamit natin ito pag nag-install tayo ng convenience outlet at mga switches. Sa square box, ganun din cable pulling at termination of wires.